Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. We will continue with the anatomy starter series urinary bladder. Already in our channel we have the anatomy practical exam series. We have covered so many topics in the upper limb, lower limb, thorax, abdomen. Now we have started the anatomy starter series also to help you in the university exams. Those who have not subscribed to the channel, do subscribe now. Keep watching the videos. Anatomy starter series, if you observe, it will be helping you to prepare the detailed parts of the any viscera. So watch the anatomy starter series, subscribe to our channel. We will now move on to the topic urinary bladder, how it will be presented in the starter part of the exam. Identify the viscera. So this in Spartans, you may be asked to identify the viscera. This question is a simple question, even it will be kept for the paramedical exams. So being an MBBS student, you should be easily identifying this viscera as the urinary bladder. So having this triangle shape and the ureter attached, so that will be the apex of the urinary bladder. With this structure, you can identify the viscera as the urinary bladder. So this is a simple question. Usually it will be kept for the paramedical exams. So you'll be asked to show the urinary bladder in the anatomical position in the practical exams. If you are given the urinary bladder in the practical exams, you have to keep this in the anatomical position. How you have to keep is, you have to keep the apex in front, base behind. Base is that part where the ureters are attached, so that this triangle part will be forming the superior surface, and below we can't see in this picture will be the infralateral surface, and the neck of the urinary bladder should be below. So this should be above, and neck of the urinary bladder should be below. And this we can identify which is front is this sharp part, apex is the front, and this is the broad part, base, where you can see the attachment of the ureter. So this is how you have to keep the ureter in the anatomical position. So now identify the labeled part of the viscera. So that may be the question in the starter. So what is identified? In this label, you can see this is the apex. We have already told this is the apex which gives attachment to the median umbilical ligament, which will be extending up to the umbilicus. What is median umbilical ligament? You should know. So this all this detailed gross anatomy of the urinary bladder, which we have covered in the gross anatomy of urinary bladder, you can see. So in this starter series, it will be a quick review of the gross anatomy of all the viscera. So we will not tell every detail. You have to identify which are the important questions in the starters, which we will cover. So this is the apex which gives attachment to the median umbilical ligament. So identify the labeled part of the viscera. The viscera is the urinary bladder, and the surface is the superior surface of the urinary bladder, which is triangular, and it will be covered with peritoneum, and it will be having the relations the same in both male and female. You have to see. So what is this part of the viscera? Identify the label part. As I told, this part is the posterior surface where you can observe the attachments of the ureter. This surface will be also called as the external trigone. So this non-peritoneal area of the base will be called as the external trigone. This relations of the base will be differing in both male and females, which you have to again revise the gross anatomy of the urinary bladder. So what are the two labels of the viscera? Can you tell what are the two labels? They are the borders. What borders? So borders of this viscera, lateral borders, which separates the superior surface from the infralateral surface, which is below, which extends from the entrance of the ureter to the apex of the urinary bladder. So these are the lateral borders. So what is this border? So this surface is posterior surface or external trigone. This border extending between the entrance of the ureters, that is the posterior border. It separates the base from the, so this is the base from the superior surface. This border is posterior border which extends between the entrance of the two ureters. So identify the labeled parts of the viscera. So they are the ureters, two ureters which open into the base of the urinary bladder. So these two are the ureters. Identify the labeled part. So this is the labeled part. It is the interior surface of the urinary bladder, where this part is, you can see in the other parts there are the mucous folds. This part is smooth. What is this part? You have learnt in the gross anatomy of the urinary bladder, internal trigone. External trigone is the base of the urinary bladder, and the internal trigone is the interior of the urinary bladder, where the folds are not present, mucous folds are not present. Reason is, this part development also we have separate development. So that's why you see the development of urinary bladder in our channel. You can understand the what is this internal trigone development. It is an equilateral triangle on the inner aspect of the base of the urinary bladder, where the mucous membrane is smooth, so that this three openings you can see. These two are the ureteric openings and this is the urethral opening. See, these two ureteric openings will form the base and this urethral opening will form the apex. So this is an equilateral triangle. What is the importance of the trigone and all we have covered in the gross anatomy of the urinary bladder. Go through that video so that you will have the detailed description of the trigone of the urinary bladder, which may be asked as short notes. So this video is mainly to identify the parts. So in this video we will not cover the details of every part. So this completes the anatomy Sparter questions of the urinary bladder. I think you should have understood clearly now the parts of the urinary bladder. So with the next anatomy Sparta series, we will see in the next video. Thank you. Those who are not subscribed to the channel, do subscribe now. Keep watching the video.